Hello, this is Christian for Life Force Microscopy. This is the new Dwarf 3 Smart Telescope. I'm using it now to capture some video of the sun and sunspots. As you can see, it uses a very short tripod, although you could use it with a taller tripod without a problem. In my opinion, it's better to use it whenever possible with a shorter tripod, because if you get any gust of wind, the image will shake quite a bit. So that's why they recommend that you use a shorter tripod whenever possible. I really like this smart telescope. Once you turn it on, you use an app on your phone and you can literally find the sun automatically and then take photos or video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and I'll see you on my next video. Cheers from Australia.